How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Look, I've been waiting for this for a long time. My Ancestry DNA results. And I'm shocked. People always ask me what I mix with. I guess because my hair is halfway wavy and halfway long. But anyway, I always tell them black and blacker. Okay, let me read off what I mixed with. I just printed this out. Cheryl Ford ethnicity estimate. Okay. The highest percentage is Nigeria, 34%. Next one is Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu peoples, 25%. The third one is England, Wales, Northwestern Europe, 18%. I don't even know how to say this. Benin and Togo, Benin and Togo, 7%. I don't know where that is. I never heard of it. The next one is Mali, 5%. I learned about Mali in Afro-American history class. The next one is Senegal, 3%. Then Norway, 2%. Indigenous Americans, North Americans, 2%. So what's that? The next one is Ireland and Scotland, 2%. The next one is Germanic Europe, 1%. And the last one is Philippines, 1%. And additional communities, early Virginia African Americans. Okay, so these are my results. Now, don't say nothing about the Native American blood that's in me. Don't say nothing about it, unless that's the Indigenous Americans. So I don't know. And my oldest daughter, she said, Cheryl, she said when she went to college, people men start hitting on her, Nigerians, because she looks like one of their people. So, and she's often been told she looks Nigerian. So this is why. So I had to share this with you. Finally got it. So now I know what I mix with. Lot of stuff. Whole lot of stuff. Goulash. Woo! My goodness. I'm gonna look up Benin and Togo. I don't know what that is. Okay, y'all, I had to share it with you all. I know you all were waiting for the results also, so I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Oh yeah, and Walter's is almost like this. I didn't print his out, but it's almost like this. I said, oh my gosh, I done married my brother. And he was shocked. So maybe I'll try to find some of my people from all over the place. I'll see. I'll let you know what I do. Okay. Bye.